Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get a ViberPay Visa card. So let's get started. Now first off, you would need to of course have a Viber app installed. So once you have your app, just go ahead and open it. Then automatically you will be on your home page, which is the chat screen. So from here you would need to go to the ViberPay option right here. Once you're on the ViberPay screen or on your Viber wallet, here you would be able to see your card. But before accessing your card, you would need to do a KYC verification. So essentially you will have a text right here that says you need to verify your identity or you need to go through the verifying process, and then you will get your card. So if you want to know how to verify your identity and set up ViberPay in whole, you can watch the video in the upper right corner where I go through how to do it and how to set up everything, and I will also link that video at the end of this video. But essentially, once you do your identity verification, you would just need to tap on my card right here. And here is your ViberPay Visa card. So at the moment they only offer a virtual card, but it works same as the normal physical card. So essentially that's guys how you can get or activate your Viber virtual card. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and you can watch this video next.